Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Akriti. I make videos every Tuesday and every Saturday, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. Welcome to the first vlog of the Diwali vlogmas, and today is a very special day. In office we have an ethnic day and we are celebrating Diwali today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me the whole day. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this series of me uploading a vlog every day. I'm getting super late for office. Let's just get going. Okay. Made it to office before 10. Finally found some time to do this in the washroom. So I'm wearing this kurta. It's a long kurta and it goes up till here, and I'm wearing socks because it's super cold in my office, so I'm wearing socks from my knees. And this kurta comes with these pants, and that's my look. Wearing junk jewelry, oxidized silver from I think Janpat, and bindi. Go! Day in my office today. It's 5:30. Can't wait for it to be 6 already so that I can go home. It was a long day, but we got Diwali gifts.
Becoming so dark at 6 in the evening, walking down to the metro. Somebody kill me, there's this long queue now. God! Finally home.
Lying down like that in the same clothes that I wore in office. Didn't even change into my night suit or anything comfortable. Wasted 1 whole hour just Instagramming, posting new photo, updating my story, and watching what people are up to. Social media is addictive. It is so addictive. Now I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have some dinner. I'm having curry, chawal, and a paratha. And of course, I'm watching Friends because what is a meal without friends? So I finished dinner and started editing a video, which took me so long. I'm super tired and exhausted now. I have zero energy left in me, so I'm going to quickly wash my face, put some moisturizer, and drink some water and go to sleep. So I think I will end my vlog here. I really hope you guys like this idea of me vlogging every day and it doesn't become boring for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below and share the video if you really like it. I will see you tomorrow, and till then, keep loving yourself. Bye bye.